Okay guys, so I am redying my hair again because it's really brassy and you can't really see it in this video, but it's really brassy in real life. This time I'm actually using a brand that is not really well known, so I came across this Taiwan product coincidentally when I was walking around the mall trying to find a new hair color. It only costs 39 ringgit per bottle and I am able to use this twice, and you can see that my hair is really long and thick at the bottom. I'm not sure if Indigo is the only blue option they have, but Indigo is more on the purple side, which means it is able to mix and cover my current purple hair really nicely. So it is very easy to use. Just flip off the cap and squeeze the amount that you want. The semi-permanent hair dye does not come with any brushes, gloves, or even caps, so I'm just using the leftover gloves from all my previous April Skin hair dye boxes. And I'll be just using gloves as usual, as it is much more faster and easier for me.
Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98.
Instruction says to leave it for 30 to 40 minutes max, but I'll be leaving mine for 2 hours because I really want the color to be super vibrant. So here are the end results, and I'm quite happy how it turns out, because even though the color is really dark right now, there are a lot of heavy blue undertones going on compared to the previous brand April Skin Deep Blueberry that I've used. Hey, so I hope you guys enjoyed that short video of dyeing my hair blue. So this is what my hair actually looks right now. After 2 weeks of having blue hair, I just couldn't stand the frizziness, and you know, it takes a lot of effort just to maintain. So I decided to chop it off, and this is how my hair looks like right now. But you can still see that there are like a few blue or purple undertones, and maybe a few green hair strands. The green ones is because I did not bleach my original hair color properly. So orange or brown plus blue equals to green. So weird. You have purple on this side and you have, I think, green on this side. Yep. Okay, short summary. Do I like this product? Yes, but I'm gonna give this 8/8 because I don't really like the smell. I'm not sure what the smell is, but it makes me dizzy a little. Yeah, still not sure what the smell is. It doesn't smell bad though, but I don't know. It smells like some kind of weird flower going on. I don't know. Well, I recommend this for anyone who can't afford Arctic Fox because for me, Arctic Fox is a more expensive brand due to my country's currency. So give this a go if you are looking for a cheaper alternative. And I really like how the color is super vibrant and it lasts so much longer than the April Skin brand. So do give this a go if you are interested. And I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.